in our church before, long time ago, these English kids are bad, naughty boys. So we're in church. They came with fireworks and they checked in the church and they ran. Oh, you should have seen. Papa, mothers left a baby. This scatter. Some people are fast. I didn't know. You'll be surprised how fast people are. You know. You say, I'm out of here, man. You guys pray for yourself. They left their children. Until they tell them, don't worry. It's just fireworks. They say, oh. Some people didn't even come back next Sunday. They say, that church, there's fireworks. Oh, Lord, have mercy.